Alright, so this is how you remove a can after you've put it up and the customer has plans that show a ridiculous image. So instead of them being here close to the wall, because they got a low ceiling, they want them over here in this bay. So, remeasure and take these down. Use these cans. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the locks loose on it. You got 2 screws, one on each side. Don't back them out too far, you'll lose it. After you do that, that allows the can to move back and forth like so, and allows you to pry these guys out. What I'm going to do is just get behind here, twist a little. Once it starts to come up, dig your screwdriver in there further, pull it out like that. Same thing with the other side. Make sure you're holding the can, because once you take this side loose, it can swing down and hit you in the face. And you don't want that. So get that loose. After you have your can here, you want to go ahead and take these nails out, because when you go to nail it up, one, they kind of lock into place, so you have to wiggle them out. And 2, when you go to hammer them back in, you're going to knock them loose and they're going to fall on the ground, and then you're going up and down the ladder again. So go ahead and take these out. Alright, got all of our nails out. Come over here. Measurement on both sides, which is now 40 inches. The measurement before was 24 by 24, but they want them out further. Put your mark on each side, that way you can line up your can when you go to nail it up instead of trying to eyeball it. Whoops, there we go. Ignore that one. So now we got our can with our nails loose. What we're going to do is get it into place. It's going to be based upon that other can there. So we want our junction box facing towards the back. I'm going to line this one up first. Line that up with that. Go ahead and stick your nail in. There we go. The other one in. There we go. These other feet landed on the joist correctly. And then what we're going to do is use our mark back here to keep the can straight. So we're going to pull it back and line it up with that. Hold it tight. Get our nail back through. Go, one more nail. Sometimes the nail go crooked. Use your pliers. Straighten it back out. After you get it nailed in, we're gonna do 57 3/8 off the back wall. There we go. And then we want to lock it down again, so when the sheetrock guys, or if we're wiring it up, it doesn't move on us. Just Tighten those back up. And there you go. That's how you do it.